After 15 hours of printing, we finally got the nose and the ears, and they look incredible. Even though they're made of rigid plastic, they actually look soft. Next came the face of the helmet, and it was huge, so big I had to cut it in half. Also, I noticed that I will need around 2 kilograms of filament for the rest of the helmet. Yep, time to do some shopping. But after all that effort, here's the final result for the face, and honestly, it exceeded my expectations. Now it's time for the tusks and the rest of the helmet. Follow and stay tuned for part 3.